Hi, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Emily.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
What are your hobbies?
I like to cook.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
Can I help you with anything?
No, I'm good, thanks.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, but I would love to go.
What's your favorite book?
I like To Kill a Mockingbird.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What's your dream vacation?
I'd love to visit the Maldives.
Did you enjoy the concert?
Yes, it was amazing.
How's your family doing?
They're doing well, thank you.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym.
What's your favorite movie genre?
I like comedies.
How do you relax?
I watch TV or read.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dolphins.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, and I love it.
Are you sick?
Yes, I am.
When will the meeting finish?
I don't know.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 7 years.
Would you like to leave a message?
Please ask him to call me back.
Did you get my message?
Yes, I did.
When will he be back?
He'll be back in 30 minutes.
Can I speak to Alexander, please?
I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment.
Is there a bank near here?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
How long does it take?
It takes an hour.
Have you been waiting long?
Only a few minutes.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to the beach.